We came here to see if we can characterize the distribution of microplastic on the surface.
It's very important to get a baseline of what is happening there. We know that the ocean is changing.
Photogrammetry is a really amazing tool to track what happens to reefs over time. We're particularly interested in looking at the three-dimensional structure of reefs, which is particularly important for providing places for the reef creatures to live.
The size of the plateau, raised a lot of interest. That's the largest submarine plateau in the world.
The importance of the global ocean in the mitigation against climate change, but also in the balance of our planet, it is absolutely crucial that we have a healthy global ocean.